to another Food 411 series. Right now we are doing macaroni and cheese, and I, for one, am really excited for this series because that's one of my favorite foods. I have with me Eric Bibbins from our team. Welcome, Eric.
Hello, hello.
Are you a fan of macaroni and cheese?
I absolutely love macaroni and cheese.
Same. Every restaurant I go to, if it's an option, I usually get it. So I'm gonna really enjoy this tasting. So on this tasting, we are focusing on 3 main rules. One of the rules is we can only have 1 bite of the macaroni and cheese.
Yes.
Which is really hard. Another rule is no protein, so no pork, chicken, bacon, anything like that added to it. And then, do you know what the third rule is?
Yes, it has to be delivered by Metro Dining and Delivery. So,
Yes.
shout out to Dave over at Metro Dining.
Thank you, Dave. We appreciate you helping us with all of these episodes, so we really appreciate that. So today we're going to be looking for things like consistency of the noodles, flavor, cheesiness, and presentation. So those are some of the things we'll check on here. Our first one is from Taste of Louisiana. They came highly recommended. So we're going to go ahead and open up our boxes here of the macaroni and cheese. You can already tell by the cheese flowing out of the box.
Super cheesy
that
and
it is-
saucy.
It's creamy, it's cheesy, it's saucy.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, this looks amazing.
Looks like there's some seasoning there. I don't know if that's seasoned salt or some paprika or what, but I'm
Yeah,
excited.
I'm not sure either, but it's very creamy, plenty of sauce, so it's not dry or anything like that. Presentation is really very pretty. It had so much sauce that it did kind of spill over in the to-go sack, but that's probably a good thing. Okay, are we ready to dig in?
Listen, I've been ready for this for I don't know how long. So.
I've been looking forward to this for
This
a
is-
week.
This is gonna be great.
Okay, all right.
Let's do this. All right, 1 bite, but
One
the
bite.
size
Look
of
how
that bite.
look how cheesy it is.
Oh,
Yeah, you can just see the string cheese hanging down.
all right, cheers.
Cheers. Really
Okay.
good flavor to it.
Yes.
The seasoning on top tastes like it maybe has a hint of like spice or
Right, absolutely. So I'm thinking this is probably like a Cajun shake or a Cajun seasoning that they put on there, which just gives it another depth of flavor. Super creamy. I think the texture of the noodles were great.
agreed. They weren't overcooked, not undercooked. It's pretty darn good macaroni and cheese.
That's some really good macaroni and cheese. When the camera goes off, I'm eating this whole thing. Just to throw that out there.
It's gonna be hard not to.
Oh,
I'll tell you that.
Exactly.
So that being said, it's time to rate the macaroni and cheese. We'll rate it on a scale of 1 to 10.
Okay.
10 being like out of this world, people lining up around the block
My
just to
mom's
get
mac
it.
and cheese is the 10, so that's the benchmark.
Oh,
My
okay.
mom's mac and cheese is 10.
What are
Yeah,
you
what do you?
thinking?
I'm thinking. I want to go 8. I'm gonna go a solid 8. I thought this is some really good mac and cheese. I love the Cajun seasoning on there. It just adds another level of
Like a
flavor
kick
there.
to it.
Some kick to it. Yep.
Yeah. Yeah, I think I'm on a very similar page as you. I was gonna say a 9. So if we want to cut the difference, how about 8.5?
Solid.
Okay.
Absolutely.
So 8.5 for Taste of Louisiana's macaroni and cheese. You should go out and get this
I
and
will
try
be
some.
getting this.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, absolutely. Thanks for joining us today on another Food 411 homegrown series. Make sure that you follow us on our Lincoln Select Real Estate Group Facebook page and Instagram. Thank you, Eric, for being here with me today.
Absolutely. Thank you for
Appreciate it.
having me. This was great.
And thank you to Dave with Metro Dining and Delivery for helping us out with the delivery of this awesome mac and cheese.
Thanks, Dave.
Thank you. See you next time.